on this, we're having to do it on the top because these are so brittle that trying to lift them up to get
the nails.
Yeah, any nails underneath. Yeah, it's just keep breaking them all the way up. You see this one right here.
If I try to nail it underneath here,
yeah,
you just can't.
It just, yeah, it'll break. And this one right here we had to replace because pulling this one out, where's that one? It's over here, that broke?
Yes.
Yeah.
This one's the one that broke.
Yeah.
I have to put some nail here to keep it down.
Yeah.
This one as well. This one's already broken.
Is this the one that, yeah, it's broken right there, as you can see.
That one's broken right there.
Yeah. It's just, now that's down, secure, it shows it even more.